Good afternoon to everyone and Happy New Year. Once again, we are here for the updates on our roads over the festive seasons, in particular end of year, that is from 30th of December to 1st of January 2024. During this period, we registered road crashes where 26 people lost their lives and 62 people sustained serious injuries. Among the fatalities registered, 11 were for motorcycles, that is 4 were passengers traveling on these motorcycles, 7 were riders, and 13 were pedestrians. 1 person was the driver, and 1 person was a pedocyclist. We noticed or we realized that from the statistics, 13 were pedestrians, and this constituted 50% of the total fatal crashes which were registered during the end of the year. And in this, we continue to urge all pedestrians or people who use these roads on foot to be more vigilant as they use these roads and continue to do the following. We are supposed to wear bright clothes, especially in the night or evening times, and at all times on the roads, in order to be seen by other motorists on the roads. We are supposed to walk on the right-hand side. This enables us to monitor the oncoming traffic. And it is important for us to find safe places where to cross from, like the pedestrian crossings, that is the zebra crossing, and other safe places for us. Before we cross the roads, we are supposed to look right, look left, right again, then we cross. Never cross the roads behind buses or heavy trucks or parked vehicles or at unsafe places, and do not run while crossing these roads. Also, avoid putting on headsets or earsets or even making phone calls while using these roads, for it is very dangerous for you. We continue to urge you all, as you travel back, to continue observing the speed limits on the roads and be vigilant as you plan to overtake other vehicles, and continue to report all traffic violations on our toll-free number, which is 0800199099, or social media platforms. We wish you a happy New Year 2024.